Hey, what's up, guys? So let's solve this Leetcode 2183, count the array pairs divisible by k. So given a 0 indices array nums of length n and k, return a number of ij such that nums I and times nums j divisible is divisible by k. Okay, so this problem is very simple that you count how many pairs, right? So naively you get n squared pairs divisible by k, but you see this is 10 to the 10. So n squared cannot work, right? You can try, let's say we do some simple thing. We start from nums and first the modulo k, and then we just count for n range n minus 1 for the n range this, and then you count that how many pairs. If it works, then the return answer. And this is can bypass like 92. So this is the naive solution, bypass 92 problems. Okay. And another way, which may not be obvious, is that actually you only need to count the greatest common divisor. Okay, so this is a fact that let me just write down this mathematically. So the idea is this. The following theorem. Okay, so this theorem tells you that this theorem is very simple. If A times B modulo K is 0, this if and only if the GCD AK times GCD BK is 0. Okay, so all you need to know is that you can use this. So basically, you can first compute the greatest common divisor. Sorry, so if AB are very large, then compute the greatest common divisor still very efficient. Okay, so once you do this, then you just need to use the count, right? You use the dictionary method. Okay, so the idea is that you define a dictionary and you just count. Okay, you the GCD IK, and then you go through every possible GCD. Okay, so for you, so you go to every possible GCD for I and j. If there is modulo k and I less than j, means that they are different, right? So you can just you should just answer add the dictionary I, dictionary j, because ij forms a pair. Okay, so this means that ij forms a pair. And j different from I. So since j different from I, so you just added di times dj. And for this one, if j is the same as I, then you double count, right? So you need to d times I minus 1 divided by 2. Okay, so this is double count. Okay, so you can use this to solve the problem. Yeah, so I did some trying somewhere, right? So you can solve this. Okay, see you guys next videos.